How to add music to Facebook profile. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can add music to your Facebook profile. So let's dive in. So first you have to open up your Facebook app and then click these three horizontal lines on the bottom right corner, and then you have to just choose your profile over here. Now click edit profile, and then you have to scroll through and find this option edit your about info. Click it, and then scroll through and find this music option and click add music. Now click this plus sign on the top right corner and then choose any music that you want to add to your profile, and then you can click these three lines right next to it and click select Mary John, and now go back, and now you'll see the music over here. Or you can just click the music over here and it's going to automatically add it. Now click this cross over here, and here you can see I have added these two songs over here. Now if you click these three dots right next to the music, you can see delete song from profile. That means I have added these to my profile. Now you can click pin to profile to make them visible on your profile. Click pin to profile, and now you can see the song has been pinned. And now if you click these three dots over here and remove it from your profile, it's going to remove it from your profile. So this option being visible over here means that you have added the music to your Facebook profile. And now if you go back to your profile and refresh it, you'll be able to see this music over here on your profile that you just pinned. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.